Meanwhile, the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice, Lateef Fagbemi, has described the judgment of the Supreme Court as one that has emancipated the local governments in the country. The Attorney General, who filed the case at the Supreme Court, said the issue of compliance was now in the court of the state governors.
Naturally, one would be happy, should be happy. Nigerians are happy about it. I call it local government emancipation judgment, because it has really emancipated the local government from, the shackles of the past. So, and I hope that the local government officials will seize the opportunity, will look at it as an opportunity to develop their various local governments. Well, the ball is in the court of the governors. Let us see what they will come out with. But the judgment is clear as to what they should do. The judgment is clear as to what consequences will attach to failure or refusal to follow the judgment of the Supreme Court, which takes immediate effect.
Governor Chukwuma Soludo of Anambra State and his counterpart from Cross River State, Basi Otu, have also been reacting to the judgment of the Supreme Court that declared as unconstitutional state governors holding onto funds meant for local government administrations. Speaking at the State House in Abuja, the governors say it is necessary for resources to get down to the grassroots and for the people's money to work for them at all levels.
Nigeria is a democratic country, and we know very well that President Tinubu and the renewed hope agenda is a democratic one. And I believe that the judgment is taken in very good faith. All Nigerians should be happy about it. I don't think anybody is against development in the local governments. I don't think so. I have not read the details of the judgment that's passed. When we do, I believe that the application of it should add some pep to our local government administration.
At a fundamental level, yes, we need resources to get down to the real down grassroots, and we need the people's money to work for them at all levels, whether at the federal, at the state, and at the local government. We need the people's money together. We need to promote accountability. We need to promote transparency in the utilization of public resources at all levels to be able to lift the burden of the common man. For me, for my state, which is the other thing that is peculiar, is that there has been a lingering litigation, for example, that stopped local government elections in the past, and that particular litigation is still in the courts, so to speak. We're going to see how we handle all of that and to organize a local government election as appropriate. I'm a believer in having a democratic system. Like I said, I made a firm commitment to that, and I don't say what I won't do.
Meanwhile, the leadership of the National Assembly have also been reacting to the Supreme Court judgment that has upheld local government autonomy, describing it as a great day for democracy. Speaking at the State House, the leadership of the two chambers say it is now time to ensure the local government administration function properly and that elections at that level count.
I think this is a great day for democracy, and I congratulate the President for this initiative. And I know that all Nigerians now know that local government administration is an arm of government meant for the grassroots, and their money should be for the grassroots. And definitely, local governments can now undertake a lot of projects on their own. So I congratulate all. But it's a great thing that the Supreme Court has done the needful and has pronounced, and I think now we have to go back and think, working with the Attorney General's office and the Parliament to see how we can ensure that there's real election at the local government levels. And I think once that is done, everybody will have confidence. It's progress for democracy, and this is the way it should be.
This is an issue that has been before the Parliament for the past 20 years. All the constitutional amendments that were so far carried by the National Assembly, one aspect of it has always been local government autonomy. How do we make the local governments to work independently? Today, that possibility became a reality. So everyone is happy, And we're looking forward to local governments that work functionally. They'll be able to work on their own, extend goodwill to their own people, undisturbed by the excesses, if I may use the word, of the state governors.